Every year, millions of people around the world enjoy Cheetos, known for their signature crunch and bright yellow cheese coating. Today, you can easily find Cheetos everywhere. From quick meals paired with burgers to weekend movie nights. However, few know that creating these crispy snacks involves a complex and fast production process, with hundreds of thousands of snack pieces being produced every hour. But have you ever wondered what ingredients go into making these crispy treats and what steps are involved? Join us as we take a look inside one of the Cheetos production factories to see how this iconic snack is made. And don't forget, a surprising flavor twist is waiting for you. This legendary crispy snack has been on store shelves in the US since 1948, created by Charles Doolin, the founder of Frito Company, and quickly became a commercial hit. With its unique blend of salt cheddar cheese and signature seasonings, Cheetos has won over the taste buds of millions around the world. Not only does this snack have the perfect crunch, but it also keeps you coming back for more one piece after another. The Cheetos production process begins with vast fields of golden corn, where each corn stalk undergoes a growth cycle lasting 3 to 4 months depending on the variety. The harvest season typically runs from mid-August to mid-October, when the kernels reach perfect ripeness. To ensure the process is fast and efficient, farmers use massive harvesters equipped with sharp blades, which help gather the corn without damaging the kernels. After harvest, the corn cobs are transported to storage bins on large trucks ready for the next step. At the factory, the corn is unloaded and placed onto a massive conveyor belt. The corn is then transported to the husking area, where high-speed rollers with rough surfaces remove the husks and silk in just seconds without damaging the kernels. Next, the corn is sent to a high-tech kernel separator. Each cutting head of this machine is equipped with extremely sharp rotating blades that spin at high speeds, allowing the kernels to be separated quickly and accurately. Once the kernels are separated, they are stored in large silos, where temperature and humidity are tightly controlled to prevent mold growth. With its powerful conveyor system, the factory processes over 150,000 tons of corn every year. Every day, the factory produces up to 4 million bags of Cheetos, which equals 18 tons per hour or more than 1 billion bags annually. To meet this massive demand, the factory relies on a supply of yellow corn, rich in starch, ideal for the extrusion process. The corn is harvested when fully ripe, with a moisture content of about 15%, ensuring the best quality for the production process. Once properly processed and stored, the corn is ground into a fine powder, a soft, uniform flour ideal for the extrusion process. This corn flour is then fed into the extrusion process, where it is shaped into the crispy Cheetos pieces we know and love. After sifting, the corn flour is mixed with just the right amount of water to create a dough-like mixture, preparing it for the manufacturing process. The corn dough is then fed into the extruder, a massive industrial machine that operates at high pressure and temperature. This is where the distinct shape of each Cheetos piece is formed. Inside the extruder, the dough is cooked at temperatures ranging from 150 to 200 degrees C. Pressures of up to 100 bar help create the signature texture. As the dough passes through the extruder, the high heat and pressure cause it to puff up. This physical phenomenon, known as flash expansion, is the key element that gives Cheetos their unique texture. To ensure uniform size, a rapidly rotating blade cuts the puff dough into precise pieces. The cutting process is carefully synchronized with the extrusion speed to maintain consistency in size, a critical factor in ensuring product quality. In addition to the traditional Cheetos, there is also a spiral version, created by a special extruder which forms twisted strands, offering a new twist on the classic crunch. After shaping the Cheetos, undergo a final quality check to ensure each piece is uniform in size and weight. Then, the Cheetos are transported via conveyor belts to the drying chamber where excess moisture is removed. Next is the frying process. The snack is fried in hot oil at around 150 degrees for a few seconds. At this point, Cheetos begin to develop the signature crunch we all love. Some varieties of Cheetos are baked instead of fried, giving them a softer texture, while still maintaining the classic cheesy flavor. After frying, Cheetos are coated with cheese and seasoning. Each year, about 400 tons of cheddar cheese are used to create the distinctive flavor of Cheetos. The cheese is mixed with oil, salt, and other spices to create the unique taste that makes them irresistible. It is at this stage that Cheetos truly become stars. They are placed into a massive rotating drum where each piece of Cheetos is evenly coated with the signature cheese powder. The coating is evenly distributed to ensure each piece of Cheetos looks visually appealing. The rotating drum ensures that each piece is bathing in culinary gold. Thanks to the cheese, Cheetos get their vibrant orange color. Not only is it visually appealing, but it also leaves a trace of color on your fingers. For many people, licking the orange powder off their fingertips is an essential part of the experience, extending the enjoyment even after the last bite. Once fully seasoned, the Cheetos move through a cooling system to maintain their crunch when packaged. High-tech sensors and cameras check each batch to ensure the product is the correct shape, size, and color. The quality control team also checks for salt, oil, and moisture content. When the product is approved, the batch of cheesy Cheetos moves on to the packaging area. Cheetos are packed into bags at a rate of 100 bags per minute. The super-fast packaging machines complete the filling, sealing, and bagging process in just a few seconds. Each bag is sealed from the bottom up, then filled from the top and completely sealed. The finished Cheetos are then placed into cardboard boxes and stacked onto pallets. This entire process is handled by robots, which also wrap the pallets and load them onto trucks, ready to be shipped worldwide. The factory has 8 production lines, each capable of producing about 28 tons of Cheetos daily. Every day, 55 trucks leave the factory to deliver goods to supermarkets and stores around the world. And that's the entire Cheetos production process. From raw materials to the finished product, every step is carried out meticulously and perfectly to bring you those crispy, flavorful snacks. Cheetos is not just a snack, it's an essential part of gatherings with friends, fun conversations, or simply moments of personal enjoyment. What about you? Are you a Cheetos fan? And can you stop at just one? Let us know in the comments. Are you team can't stop eating or team just one bite? And hey, don't forget to share this with your snack-obsessed friends.